Choose a color, pay some crypto, lighten up your life. Welcome to Candy Lamps, a blockchain IoT interface. Here I am scanning a QR code for a light color I selected, and I'm going to pay some crypto using my MetaMask wallet. When the light change comes in, the animation changes, and there are my green lights. Getting set up with Candy Lamps is easy. Just head to our fully developed web app, scroll to the bottom, you'll find the admin page and shop page. If you don't have any hardware yet, head to the shop page where you can find some suggested links to buy some. You'll also find here a schematic to wire up your candy lamp so you can build one from scratch, as well as some code that you can copy and paste and load up to your Arduino to get started. Once you're all set up with your hardware, head to the admin page of our app. Here you'll be able to mint an NFT. And at Candy Lamps, we're using NFTs in an innovative way as a type of hardware key and also a way to authenticate into our app. Begin the process by connecting by way of your MetaMask wallet to our application, then click the orange button to begin the process of minting an NFT. I'm going to name this Front Yard, and that's where I plan to place the lamp that will be lit up by crypto, and I'm going to mint it. So I'm going to sign off on the transaction now, and it's a matter of being patient and waiting for the payment to go through. Now, at Candy Lamps, you can receive 4 different variations of images for this NFT, and we do that by way of what's called a VRF coordinator provided by Chainlink. So we're going to get a random number that's going to help allocate us one of those 4. We can click this pop-up right here to see the status of receiving that random number, and here we can see that it's not yet arrived. It's a yellow color, but when this turns green, that will be the moment we can check our OpenSea profile to see which of those 4 images belongs to us. Alright, so it looks like that random number's come in. We had to be a little patient, but when we check our OpenSea profile now and refresh the page, and I am on the hidden tab, it looks like we received the Candy Lamp Sand NFT. So we have 4 variations of images, each with different rarity attached to them, and we can use these NFTs for other things besides just as art, and that's for triggering hardware. So let's go explore that in the app right now. To interact with hardware, every NFT needs at least one product associated with it. From the drop-down menu, I'm going to select the front yard, and I already have one product made for this thing already, called lamp, but I'm going to call another one here LED strip, and it's going to cost $1 to activate this thing. I'm going to add a product and sign off on the transaction. And once this is done, you'll see that the LED strip is available from the NFT products menu. The LED strip is now available from the products menu, so I can go ahead and connect the light generator, but don't forget to plug in your light generator to the USB cable. Once you do, you'll see that it's available from the selection menu. I'm going to pick connect, and now it's time to launch my storefront by clicking this orange button up at the top. A very innovative feature of Candy Lamps is the ability to share this URL in a message or in an email, and that allows someone the ability to trigger your lights remotely. But let's just go ahead and trigger our stuff locally for the moment. In the drop down menu, I'm going to pick front yard, then I'm going to pick LED strip. I'm going to go ahead and select a color from the color picker, then pick the QR code. I'll then go ahead and scan the QR code with MetaMask wallet and pay some amount of crypto necessary to trigger this thing. And once that transaction goes through, we'll see this animation light up the color that we want to have our lights light up, as well as the actual hardware device itself. Alright, so there's our color green. Once a vendor is done for the day, they can close up this vending panel, and navigating back to the admin menu, once they select that NFT that they had people paying to earlier, which was our front yard, you'll see that we have the amounts there that have been deposited, and we can withdraw these back into our MetaMask wallet. In fact, all the products we can select, and whatever amounts are there we can get back. So that's a high-level overview of Candy Lamps. I hope you enjoyed exploring the app with me and are as excited as I am and my team is about a world full of connectivity to hardware devices and also the blockchain. Thank you, be happy, be healthy, and be well.